So today I am installing a new fuel pump on this bad boy. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to charge my battery. So good thing I have a charger right over there. So let's get this thing started. Okay, so I went ahead and got the car moved, started, yada yada. Now I'm gonna work on taking apart and cleaning out the Z. This car has been neglected for a few years now. Just barely got it registered after 3 years. So you clean it up and do the fuel pump. So next we took off this bad boy right here. Here's the fuel pump. Nice and easy. Just gotta take out these 4 bolts, take off this cover. Alright, so I was able to get the pump out. There was one wire on the top and one wire that fell in that you had to pop out. So the only reason I decided to change the pump was because it wasn't accurately telling me how much gas I had. So to the point where, you know, with both of these being off, it was just hanging on by these wires this whole time. So I never accurately got a accurate reading from my pump. So that's what prompted me to go ahead and switch it out. This fucker had a little wire on it. You had to really push this in and pull it out with 2 hands. It was pretty tough to get out, so it's probably the hardest part of this. So I took out my old pump. So both of my rods were broken on my old pump. That's basically why I wasn't registering if my gas tank was empty. So this is my new one I actually got from Z1 Motorsports. I usually buy my parts from them just because they usually have better deals than Concept Z Performance. The only thing is the first time I ever had an issue with anything coming in broken. So I spoke to Z1. I sent them an email just like they requested with pictures and how it was packaged, and they're probably going to get me a replacement. I'm still waiting for them to get back with me. So we'll see how that goes. So keep you guys posted.